Have you ever complained about a rainy week? Well, what if I told you that it once rained on Earth for millions of years straight? I'm not kidding. Billions of years ago, our planet went through an epic, non-stop downpour that literally shaped the world as we know it. Let's rewind the clock, way back to about 4.4 billion years ago. This was the Hadean Eon, and Earth was basically a teenager going through a rough phase. It had just formed, and its surface was a hellish landscape. Imagine intense volcanic eruptions happening everywhere, constant bombardment by asteroids from space, and all this leftover heat from its creation making it a scorching, molten rock. It was anything but a paradise. But high up in the thick, steamy atmosphere, something crucial was gathering. Massive amounts of water vapor. As Earth slowly, very slowly, started to cool down, this water vapor began to condense, and then it started to rain. This wasn't just a shower or a storm. It was a global, relentless deluge. Scientists estimate this rainy era lasted for tens of millions of years, possibly even up to 100 million years in total. Can you even wrap your head around that? A single rainstorm lasting longer than the entire existence of dinosaurs? This wasn't just any rain either. It was powerful. As it fell on the hot surface of the planet, it did something amazing. It started to cool the crust. The water collected in the vast low-lying basins and craters, and over millions of years, these puddles grew into lakes, the lakes into seas, and the seas eventually merged to form the very first global oceans. This incredible, prolonged rainfall was the moment Earth transformed from a fiery, molten ball into a water world. It was the birth of our blue planet. Without this great deluge, there would be no oceans. And without oceans, the conditions necessary for life to begin would never have existed. The very first single-celled organisms emerged in these primordial waters, all thanks to this unimaginably long rainy period. It literally set the stage for every living thing that has ever existed, including you and me. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth do we know this happened 4 billion years ago? That's a great question. We can't exactly travel back in time, but we have some incredible geological clues. The heroes of this story are tiny, almost indestructible crystals called zircons. Some of the oldest zircons ever found are about 4.4 billion years old. By studying their chemical makeup, specifically the isotopes of oxygen within them, scientists found evidence that these crystals had interacted with liquid water. Finding evidence of liquid water this early in Earth's history was a game changer. It told us that our planet cooled down much faster than we previously thought, and that oceans were present very, very early on. This physical evidence, combined with sophisticated computer models of Earth's early climate and geological formation, paints a consistent picture: a hot, steamy world gradually cooled by an epic, million-year-long rainstorm. So, the next time you look out at a vast ocean, just remember its incredible origin story. It wasn't always there. It was born from fire and steam, delivered by the longest rain in the history of the world. Earth's blue oceans are a direct result of this ancient planet-shaping event that turned a hellish rock into a habitable home. It's a powerful reminder of how dynamic and transformative our planet's history truly is. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey back in time as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing universe. See you in the next video!